Welcome to part 1, how to build the American Speedster Sidekick. Let's get started. The video training series is designed to help you build your own sidekick. The easy to follow step-by-step instructions consist of 29 video training programs. If you follow the video series in order, 1 through 29, you will not only enjoy working on the project, you will also avoid making many mistakes along the way. Here are some photos of the completed model. To complete the sidekick from start to finish, you will need to order a set of plans from American Speedster. Without the plans, you will not understand the video training programs. The plans include a list of all the parts, diagrams, and assembly instructions for the sidekick. American Speedster also offers parts and complete part kits on their website. Please note, I do not sell or own the legal rights to share the sidekick plans. You will need to purchase the plans from American Speedster. I provided a link to American Speedster's website in the video description below. Click Show More to view. The first step in building the sidekick is acquiring all the parts, tools, and materials needed. Here is a full view of all the parts needed to build the sidekick. As you can see, there are many different parts. I created a checklist to help you collect the tools and additional materials needed to build the sidekick shown in this video. To download a free PDF file, click the link in the video description below. Be sure to watch part 2. I will show you how to clean, cut, and glue the PVC pipe and fittings. Thanks for watching.